Why, hello there.
Hi, I'd like to speak to you about God.
You want to buy a fridge?
Well, I didn't come here to buy or sell anything. I come here to speak to you about God.
Alright. On you go then.
Seriously? You want me to talk about him?
Aye, because you see, I had a religious experience myself.
Oh, would you like to share it with me?
God spoke to me.
What did he say?
He says, "Come forth, and ye shall have eternal life."
What happened?
I came fifth and won a toaster.
Now you're just making fun of me.
No, that actually happened.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
You calling me a liar?
I never said that.
You calling me a dirty, lying, ginger-headed rat?
I definitely never said that. I think we'll continue this conversation another day.
Aye, go on, run away, shite bag. Look at me, run away.
The name is Shuffle, Pajella, take it off and hunt. He expects on Tuesday, you should have taken that.
Hello. Shug McGumpher here.
Hiya, going to see the doctor. Hiya, doctor. Ah, the boy with the begging. Take a seat. Yes. Yes, a seat. Hiya. I say, Begging, what do you have on your head? Ah, it's a tin of pineapple slices. It's a tradition in our family. We always wear a tin of pineapple slices on our head on a Wednesday. But this is Thursday. Oh, so I must look right stupid. Anyway, to get round to your other problem, the funny vision you've been having. Aye. Well, we're not quite sure what's causing that. Oh. But it may be due to alcohol. That's okay, I can come back when you're sober.